Hello students, today I am going to discuss experiment. Aim of the experiment to find the speed of sound in air at room temperature using a resonance tube by two resonant positions. The required apparatus for this experiment are resonant apparatus. This is resonant apparatus. This is reservoir. This is resonant tube and this is a capillary tube to indicate the water level in the resonance tube. Next, tuning fork. These are the tuning fork. This is frequency 512. This is frequency 480. And this tuning fork has frequency 256 Hz. Next is a rubber pad. This is the rubber pad which is used to instruct the resonance tuning fork on it. Okay. 3. Next is formula used. The speed of sound in air at room temperature by resonant method is given by V equal to 2 nu L2 minus L1, where nu is the frequency of the tuning fork, L1 is the first position, first resonance length, and L2 is the second resonance length on the resonance tube. Now next step, observation. First, reading of open end of resonance tube, that is represented by B. This is resonance tube and this is its open end, and the reading of open end is 0 centimeter. This is starting point of the centimeter scale. So this is 0. Yes. Now this is 0 centimeter. Now next is the room temperature. This is a thermometer. We can see the reading on the thermometer is 19 degrees Celsius. You can see here 19 degrees Celsius. Is it clear? 90 degree centigrade. Now, next, to find the position, resonant position on water level at resonance tube, first rising and then falling. Now find the resonant position by using resonance tube by the with the help of a tuning fork of frequency 480 Hz. See, this is 480 Hz. Now stuck the tuning fork on the rubber pad and bring it near the mouth of the resonance tube. Now you can change the position of water level, then you can start. No sound heard. Now again adjust the position. Now struck the tuning fork. This is loud sound heard. So this is the resonant position. See here in the resonance tube. This is exact this is exact 18 centimeter. Now write the first position when water is falling, 18.0 centimeter. Now again lower the water level in the resonance tube. Approx 3 times. So near about 52 centimeter. Now no sound heard. You can hear loud sound. Now read this position. This is 54 centimeter. This is second position. This is 54. Now write down. .0 centimeter. Now lower the water level in the resonance tube more and bring it again up. This is the case of water rising in the resonance tube. Bring it near about the second position of the first case. I adjust approx 54 centimeter. Now adjust some more. This is better sound. Now read this position in the this is 54.6. Now this is second position in case of water rising. This is 54.6 centimeter. Now further rise the water in the resonance tube and bring it near the first position in the first case. I bring it about 19 centimeter. Now start. You can hear better sound. Now read the position. This is exact 19 centimeter. So this is the first position in the case of water rising. Then find mean. This is 18.5 centimeter. This is 54.3 centimeter. Now find L1 and L2 by subtracting the position of the open end, that is 18.5 minus 0 is equal to 18.5 centimeter, and 54.3 minus 0, this is 54.3 centimeter. Then do the calculation to find speed of sound in air at room temperature. So V is equal to 2 nu L2 minus L1. So now 2, the nu is the frequency of tuning fork, that is 480. L2 is 54.3. L1 18.5. Now this is 960, and this is 0.8. Now this is 960 and the drift 35.8 centimeter. Now multiply, you will get 34368 centimeter per second. Now it is 343.68 meter per second. This is the speed of sound in air at room temperature. Now result, the speed of sound in air at room temperature .68 meter per second. After result, write the precautions. First, at least 3 precautions. First, the apparatus should be vertical. The tuning fork should be struck gently on rubber pad and leave the resonant position carefully. Now the experiment completed. Thank you.